Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the time and date on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to change the date and time on the Seat Arona infotainment system. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. In the system settings, tap Time and Date. Tap Time to change the time. Use the arrows to change the time to the correct time. Then tap the back button to go back to the previous page. You can see that the time has been changed behind the steering wheel also. Tap Date to change the date. Use the arrows to change the date to the correct date. You can see the calendar on the right also highlights the current date. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.